Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix no sound output problem in Windows 11. So let's get started. So if you are facing no sound output problem in your Windows 11 laptop or your PC and you want to fix it. So to fix this problem, what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is from your keyboard, just tap on the Windows key, and after opening up your Windows key, now from here what you can do is search for settings. And after searching for settings, now you just have to tap on system. So in the left side of your screen you will find system, just simply tap on it, and after tapping on system, tap on sound. And after tapping on sound, now what you have to do is from here scroll down, and after scrolling down you will find all sound devices, just simply select it. And after selecting all sound devices, now you can find all the devices. From here what you have to do is select your speakers. After selecting your speakers, from here you will find audio, allow app and Windows to use the device for audio. What you have to do is just simply allow it, and after allowing it, now here you will find this option which is set as default sound advanced. So now if you have an old device, then you will find mono audio option over here. So what you can do is just simply turn it on. So in some devices it can help improve your sound quality. So what you can do is just simply turn on your mono audio. But if you don't have an old device, then I'll just suggest you not to turn it on. So just simply check all of these options and you should fix sound output problems. So that's it guys, this is how to fix sound output problem in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.